A Nigerian man here diagnosed with an imported case of monkeypox remains in stable condition. But the situation could have been different had a local doctor at the new National Center for Infectious Diseases not been vigilant. Cheryl Go reports.
The emergence of monkeypox in humans occurred in 1970 in 10 African countries. It re-emerged in 2017 when Nigeria experienced the largest documented outbreak, with at least 61 confirmed and over 170 suspected cases. Last year, 4 cases were reported outside Africa, 3 in Britain and 1 in Israel. And in May, Singapore's health ministry confirmed the country's first imported case.
The knowledge that these outbreaks had been happening for the last year or two. So we put it together between the travel history and the presentation, which was a rash. I felt that because he had these rashes on his face, and the travel from Nigeria, that was the clue that helped us sort out whether this might be monkeypox.
Confirmation of monkeypox on the 38-year-old Nigerian man came after various laboratory tests were carried out within the NCID.
One was a PCR, which is for polymerase chain reaction. It's a very sensitive test for detecting the gene found in the monkeypox virus. And the other test was to do the electron microscopy, where we visualize it under an electron beam, where you can actually see the shape and the size of the virus obtained from the patient's skin lesion.
Under the microscope, the monkeypox virus has a distinct brick-shaped appearance. The lesions from the rashes on the patient were also larger and fewer, compared to chickenpox, which are smaller but more widespread. Even though it was the first time the NCID encountered the disease, the staff were well prepared to deal with the situation.
Right from the start, where the patient was seen at the emergency department of Tan Tock Seng Hospital, transfer of the case from emergency department to NCID are all done appropriately in terms of the staff protections, and that minimized any cross-contaminations within the facilities as well as possible transmissions to people caring for him.
This is a negative pressure isolation room, similar to one where the patient is currently recovering. Now, the negative pressure in the room helps to contain the air and prevent it from escaping. Now, there's even this hatch here, which allows staff to pass food and other items from the outside into the room without having to wear the full personal protective gear. All these to ensure the infection does not spread. Monkeypox is also self-limiting, as there is no known medical treatment. And the only way to recover is to let the infection run its course, which typically lasts 2 to 3 weeks.